Think about it. Your phone knows your routine. Your car can drive itself. And somewhere in a warehouse, a robot just picked and packed your product that you just ordered without a human needing to touch it.
This isn't science fiction. This is the fourth industrial revolution, also known as Industry 4.0. And whether you're ready or not, it's already transforming how we live, how we work, and how we interact.
We've gone from steam engines to electricity, then computers. Now, we are looking at machines that can learn, adapt, and even decide. So, what exactly is Industry 4.0?
Industry 4.0 is a shift from basic automation to smart interconnected systems. These machines don't just follow instructions anymore. They are empowering and evolving on their own. In a world where artificial intelligence helps detect diseases faster than doctors, where factories can run 24/7 without any people inside, where data, not oil, is the most valuable resource. At its core, Industry 4.0 is all about adaptability, connectivity, and intelligence. So, what is actually powering Industry 4.0? It's not just one single invention, it's actually a combination of 9 powerful technologies, all working together to transform how we live and work. Start with autonomous robots. These machines don't just follow orders, they react, adapt, and even make their own decisions. They are working side by side with humans in factories, warehouses, and even hospitals. Now let's move on to system integration. Imagine everything is working together. Departments, software, system, and even suppliers, all connected into one seamless system. Simulation allows us to test complex systems virtually. For example, engineers can model a factory, a new product, or even a trafficking network and improve it before it even exists in the real world. Now imagine the world as a nervous system. The Internet of Things, or IoT, are the nerves. Smart devices like your phone, your car, and your thermostat all send signals so that the systems can respond faster and smarter.
Cloud computing means you don't need massive computer in your office. Data, storage, and computing power are available anytime, anywhere through the internet. Additive manufacturing, or better known as 3D printing, let us build objects layer by layer. Not just toys or prototypes, but real tools, medical implants, and even houses. Augmented reality or AR overlays digital instructions onto the physical world. Imagine facing a machine with step-by-step guidance appearing right in your field of vision.
Big data is more than just numbers. It's about spotting patterns across millions, even billions of data points. That means smarter predictions and faster decision making. And none of this will work without cybersecurity. The more connected we become, the more we need to protect our systems from viruses, hackers, and even data leaks.
9 technologies, all different but together, they form the backbone of Industry 4.0. This isn't a futuristic theory, it's already being used. In logistics, warehouse robots move products 10 times faster than humans. 3D printers are making custom medical implants and even organs. Doctors in rural areas are diagnosing patients through telemedicine to check vitals from miles away. And at home, lights that turn on when you enter, thermostats that learn your habits. That is Industry 4.0. So why does this matter?
First is efficiency. System can detect and fix problems before it happens. Productivity jumps because machines can run constantly and adapt instantly. You get real-time data, which means much faster and smarter decisions, whether you're running a business or even a supply chain. And last is flexibility. Productivity can shift overnight. You do not need to reprogram the whole system. You just need to upgrade the software.
You might be wondering, where do people fit into all of this? The answer right at the center. Industry 4.0 isn't replacing people, but it creates an entirely new career that didn't exist a decade ago. Take data scientists. They turn raw information into insight. They help companies to predict what customers want and spot problems before they start. Then you've got system integrators, or the connectors. They make sure all the machines, software, and teams work together like one smart responsive system.
Behind the scenes are cloud computing engineers. They are the
architects of the digital world. Without them, none of these data could even be moved, scaled, or function. And one of the important roles today are cybersecurity specialists. In the world full of smart devices, they are the ones in charge of keeping everyone and everything safe. All of these careers don't just need technical skills, they also need collaboration, critical thinking, and creativity.
Whenever we talk about smart technologies and automations, the same questions come up, and some come with fear. Like this one: is Industry 4.0 going to replace human completely? The truth: some jobs will change. That's inevitable. But many new ones will be created, and people who thrive will be the ones to work with technology and not against it.
Here's another myth. Industry 4.0 is all about machines, not people. That's going to be more wrong. This revolution is driven by human intelligence, like designers, storytellers, problem solvers, and engineers. Machines might do the heavy lifting work, but it's still people who ask big questions, make ethical choice, and lead the innovation. So no, Industry 4.0 is not about replacing people, but it's about empowering them. History has shown those who resist change get left behind, but those who understand it shape it.
Industry 4.0 challenges us to rethink not only how we work, learn, live, and lead.
So don't ask, will this replace us? Ask, how can we lead in this new world? Because the real revolution is not in the machines, it's in our own mindset.